Using Scenario Manager in Microsoft Excel. Here's the model that we've used before for Chad's Excel training business. With it, we're going to illustrate the use of Scenario Manager. I need to set up 3 scenarios for Chad. One where he's got a small room and a short course length. One where he uses a larger room but still using it only on the weekends, and a third one where he does the largest room doing whole week courses. And I want to be able to show that at one form at one time. So I'm going to use Scenario Manager. So I go to Tools, Scenarios, you hit the Add button, and let's give it a name. So the first one is Easy Side Business. Then I click here and I tell it what cells are going to change. And for this, it's just going to be our 2 input cells, room size and course length. And I click OK. Now, the easy weekend business means that we're going to choose one, which is the small room, and one, it's the weekend course. And we'll hit OK. So now we've added a scenario called Easy Side Business. And if we hit Show, it'll change these values, and all the other values that are linked to it through the model will change automatically. Let's add another scenario. Hard side business. So Chad will be still doing it only on the weekends, but he'll be doing it with bigger rooms. Let's hit Show. Wow. He's going to make a lot more money per month, per week, and per month on that one. And finally, let's add what happens if he goes whole hog. And this time we're going to set the values so that the room size is large and the course length is for a week. And if we hit Show, we can see that the weekly profit for this is $32,000 and the monthly profit is $130,000. Now finally, once we've set up the scenarios and we've deleted the ones we didn't like and just kept the ones we did like, we can hit Summary and we can tell it, I want you to create a graph of those inputs to certain outputs. And in this case, we're going to pick just the weekly profit and the monthly profit as the outputs that we want to see. And when we click OK, it'll create a chart for us that shows what happens when we pick. Now it kept the values that I had last, but it shows these are the different scenarios that we have available to us. And under each scenario, this is the weekly profit and this is the monthly profit.